Hi kids! Do you know about Florence Nightingale? Well, in this story, you are going to find out why she is remembered in history. Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy in 1820. In 1850, she went to Germany to study nursing. A very smart and kind nurse, Nightingale is one of the most important people in history. Nightingale worked as a nurse at the Harley Street Hospital in London, United Kingdom. As a caring and skilled nurse, Nightingale had a positive impact at the hospital. The patients loved her, and the doctors admired her. In fact, she was such a good nurse that she was invited to lead a team of other nurses to look after injured soldiers. In her new job, Nightingale made small but important changes. These changes included making sure the doctors and nurses washed their hands and that the patients were clean. Thanks to Nightingale, doctors and nurses around the world started washing their hands, talking to their patients, and keeping their hospitals clean. This showed us that small changes can make big differences. Okay, kids, make sure you do all the activities in the book and practice reading the stories out loud, as they will help you improve your English. See you in the next video.